This video is going to talk about how to multiply and divide in scientific notation. If you have two numbers that are written in scientific notation, and if you're trying to multiply those two numbers, there's a very easy way to remember how to do it. The first thing that you want to do is you want to multiply the numbers themselves. Forget the times 10 to the power. You want to put that off to the side for a minute. Put that on the back burner. We're just going to do the multiplication right now. 4.9 times 3.1 is going to be 15.19. Now we have to go ahead and look back at our times 10s. Because we're multiplying, when we multiply with a 0 at the end of the number, we're just going to add those zeros in. So what we can do here is we're just going to add the numbers together that are in the powers. 3 plus 4 is 7, so our answer is 15.19 times 10 to the 7th power. When we make sure that we write this in scientific notation, what we want to do is we want to shift this decimal over so there's only one number to the left of the decimal point. That will end up with this being 1.519 times 10, because I move this over 1, to the 8th power, which is going to be our final answer for this multiplication problem. Division is very similar to what we just did. There's just one change. When you're dividing, first of all, we're going to do the actual division. So we have 2.8 divided by 7, which is going to be 0.4, times 10 to the, instead of adding these numbers together, we're going to subtract them because we're in division, and division doesn't work the same way as multiplication. 5 minus 2 is 3, so our answer is 0.4 times 10 to the 3rd power. Is this in scientific notation? Not yet, so let's put it there. If we're going to move this decimal backward 1, we're going to end up with 4 times 10 to the 2nd power because we move the decimal backward 1.